In Excel, a table is a collection of related information with an organizational structure that makes it easy to find or extract data from its contents. Suppose I want to set up an accounts receivable table. A simple system would include information such as the account holder name, account number, number, invoice amount, due date, and date paid, as well as a calculation of the number of days overdue. Excel has a number of commands that enable you to work efficiently with table data. To take advantage of these commands, convert a data from normal range to a table. Active any cell within the range that I want to convert to a table. Click Insert tab. In Tables group, click Table button. My range has column headers in the top row. Check this box. Click OK. After converting a range to a table, Excel makes three changes to the range. It formats the table cells. It adds drop-down arrows to each field header. In the ribbon, I see a new Design tab under Table Tools whenever I select a cell within the table. I can format the table styles. In Table Styles group, select this style. In Excel table, each column is called a field. A unique name is assigned to every table field. These names are always found in the first row of the table. In an Excel table, a single item in a field is called field value. In an Excel table, the field values are the individual cells. Each row is called a record. The worksheet range that includes all the records, fields, and field names of a table is called table range. In this way, range of data is converted into an Excel table.